Welcome to Nature Detectives. Science isn't all about bubbling chemicals, space missions, or dissecting organs. We use science and evidence to learn about our wildlife, and crucially, how we can protect it. Throughout this Science Week, you'll be meeting our More Data for Nature team and learning all about our work. How do we study species? What do we do with this information? And how can you help? We'll be rounding all of this off at the weekend with a live Q&A on social media, where you can ask me and the rest of the team any burning questions you have on wildlife and data. I hope you enjoy Nature Detectives.